Like a straight retard.
Is the red light on?
What red light?
Yeah, it's on.
I
You don't look retarded.
I know, I don't usually do this. We usually get, because when we was in the store, I was like, uh-oh, I hope somebody has some matches. I hope I don't catch on fire. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, Erica.
I'm finna say curse. Okay, hold on. No more? Can you?
Ouch, Erica.
Sorry. Get them two right there. That's it. There you go. Okay. You ready?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Candace. Happy birthday to you. Okay, now blow out the candles.
Okay.
Should I get that on camera?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Make my way.
Hold on, you should put the cake up there, because I can't get it. We're all just trying to blend. It's looking like
Hold the camera. You still recording. Erica, you still recording.
Don't drop that cake. Okay.
Okay.
Is the red
Make
button?
my waist. Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Yay! Okay, now how do you start recording?
Push the button at the top.
What button?
Push the button.